Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to use the Etsy application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. So Etsy is an online shopping platform where you can search and purchase mostly handmade and like small business created things. It's a very easy and simple application to use. You have the home button where you can search for anything on Etsy, as you can see. So here you just type anything you want to search for. Here in the favorite section you can save all those things that you might want to shop later. And then there's the updates section where you can see new arrivals and uploads. And in the You section you will find your profile, messages, purchases, reviews. You can purchase Etsy gift card here, as well as reach the settings section. And lastly, in the cart you will be able to purchase your product. You can add different coupon codes if you have them. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.